Hello students, standard 7th, chapter number 5, lines and angles. In the few previous lessons, we learn about the different types of angles, also the related angles like complementary and supplementary angles. Then other like we learn about the adjacent angles, linear pair, and then lastly we learn about the vertically opposite angles. Also we learn about the linear pair, that the angles of the linear pair are supplementary, means some of their measures is 180 degree. And also we learn that when two lines intersect, the vertically opposite angles are always equal. Now we are going to start exercise number 5.1, in which the question 1 is that find the complement of each of the following angles. We know that complement means sum of the angles is 90 degree. So if you have to find the complement of such number, such angle, we have to subtract that measure from 90 degree to get the other angle. So let's see which is the first. First one is 20 degree. So we have to find the complement of 20 degree. So we will write down here complement of 20 degree is equal to 90 degree minus 20 degree, and your answer is 70 degree. So whatever is the angle given, you have to subtract that angle from 90 to get the complement of that angle. Second angle given is 63 degree. So now complement of 63 degree. So here we have to subtract 90 minus 63. So 10 minus 3 is 7, and here remaining is 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. So 90 minus 63 is 27 degree. Now the third angle is 57 degree. So complement of 57 degree. Same we have to do 90 minus 57 degree. 10 minus 7 is 3. 8 minus 5 is also 3. So the complement of 57 degree is equal to 33 degree. Now the question number 2. Question number 2 is also the same, but in place of complement we have to find the supplement. So find the supplement of each of the following angles. Now we know that what is supplement. Supplement means when the sum of the two angles is 180 degree, then they are known as supplement of each other. It means that to find the supplement of the given angle, we have to subtract that angle from 180 degree. So let's see which is the first angle. First angle is 105 degree. So now supplement of 105 degree is 180 degree minus 105 degree. So from 180, if you subtract 105, then there will be 75. So the supplement of 105 degree will be 75 degree. Second, 87 degree. So now supplement of angle, or we can write a supplement of 87 degree is equal to 180 minus 87 degree. So if you subtract 10 minus 7 is 3. Here it will be 7, so 17 minus 8. So it will be 9. So answer is a 93 degree. Third angle is given 154 degree. So the supplement of 154 degree. So 180 degree minus 154 degree. 10 minus 4 is 6. 7 minus 5 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So the supplement of 154 degree is equal to 26 degrees. Now question number 3. Now in the question number 3, there is little different in which the pairs of the angles are given. We have to check which are complementary and which are supplementary. How we will do it? When we add them, if some of them is 90 degree, they are complementary. And if some of them is 180, they will be supplementary. So question 3, identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. Complementary and which are supplementary. Let's check which is the first pair. The first pair is 65 degree and 115 degree. So we will add them. 65 degree plus 115 degree. Then 5 plus 5, 10. 6 plus 1 plus 1, 8. 180 degree. So if some of them is 180 degree, they are supplementary. Therefore, they are supplementary. Next pair is 63 degree and 27 degree. 63 degree and 27 degree. So now 63 degree plus 27 degree. 7 plus 3, 10. Carry 1. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 2, 9. So it's 90. So we know that when some of the angles, two angles is 90 degree, they are complement. Therefore they are complementary. And then another 4 pairs are also there, but they are very simple, just you have to add. So I think you can do it for yourself. So I am leaving for that for yourself for the homework. Now the question 4, it says that find the angle which is equal to its complement. It means that the angle and its complement both are equal, and we have to find the value of that angle. So we can start like, let the angle is x degree. Now it's same as its complement. It's same as its complement. So its complement is also x. Its complement angle is also x. Therefore x plus x is 90 degree, because they are complementary, means what? Sum of them is 90 degree. So x plus x is equal to 90 degree. So x plus x is 2x. 2x is equal to 90 degree, and therefore x is equal to 90 by 2. Therefore x is equal to 45 degree. Therefore the required angle is 45 degree. So when given that the angle is equal to its complement, means angle is also x, its complement is also x, and their complement means we have to add them, gives you 90. So x plus x gives you 90. Let's take the question number 5. Let's see what does it say. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Equal to its supplement. So here also it's the same thing. Just the difference is complement and supplement. So here also we can start the same thing. Let the angle is x degree, which is equal to its supplement. Therefore, supplement angle is also x degree, because they are both equal. Now we know that sum of the supplementary angles is 180 degree. Now therefore x plus x is equal to 180 degree. Here we took 90 degree because they were complementary, but here we have to take 180 degree because they are supplementary. So they are, sum of that is 180 degree. So x plus x is 2x. 2x degree is 180 degree, and therefore x is equal to 180 divided by 2. So here we get the answer, x is equal to 90 degree. It means that the required angle is 90 degree. So here they ask us for the complement and the number angle are equal. So we get that as 45 degree because x plus x is 90, and here we get x plus x is 180. So we get the answer as 90 degree. Now question number 6. Here one figure is given. In the given figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles because they are forming the linear pair, supplementary angles. Question is, if angle 1 is decreased, what changes should take place in angle 2 so that both the angles still remain supplementary? So here angle 1 is going to be decreased. Then what changes will be there in angle 2 such that both angles will still remaining supplementary? Means some of them will be still 180 degree. So now it is obvious that if you check here, if you make the angle smaller, it is here, then if you make smaller, then what will happen? The angle 2 will be increased. How much? Whatever angle 1 is decreased, same measure angle 2 will be increased. Right? So what we have to write down? Let's see. So here angle 2 will be increased by same measure as angle 1 is decreased by. It means that if you decrease the angle 1 by 10 degree, then angle 2 will be increased by 10 degree. If you decrease the angle 1 by 20 degree, then angle 2 will be increased by the same, means the 20 degree. So whatever you decrease by angle 1, same should be increased by the angle number 2, and that is your answer. So here question number 6 is there. Now question number 7 you have to do for the homework because it is very simple. Question 7 you will do for the homework. Now question number 8 we will do now. So in question number D, it is given that an angle is greater than 45 degree. An angle is greater than 45 degree. Is its complementary angle? Is its complementary angle greater than 45? Or equal to 45 degree? Or less than 45 degree. So here the angle is greater than 45 degree. Means the value of the angle is more than 45 degree. So now we have to decide whether the complementary of that angle 45, which is greater than 45, the value of that will be either greater than 45 degree, less than 45 degree, or equal to 45 degree. So now if it is already greater than 45 and complement means some of them will be 90. So if it is 45 also, then what will happen? Some of them will be more than 90 degree because that one is already 45, greater than 45. So if you add that number in 45, it will be already greater than 45. So it cannot be 45 degree also. Even it cannot be more than 45 degree also, because 45, the already it is greater than 45. If the another number is also greater than 45, then some of them will be more than 90 already. It means that only possible thing is that the complement of that will be less than 45 degree. So you can write down answer. The complement of that angle is must be is less than 45 degrees, because it cannot take 45 degree or not more than 45 degree also. So here we are going to finish today's session, and you will get it in the PDF, and any difficulties write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.